You want to be happy again? Discover somebody greater than you. Discover a vision greater than you. Look for a life bigger than your life. And then, you will find delight. You will find joy. You will find happiness. That happiness no one can take from you. Sa ating pagtakbo ng buhay, habang tayo'y tumatanda, parang palagi na lang nadadalas ang buntong hininga at sinasabi natin, "Hay buhay." Pero kung makikilala mo lamang na mayroon pang mas malaki kaysa sa iyo, mayroon pang pangarap na mas maganda kaysa sa pangarap mo, mayroon pang kinabukasan na mas maganda kaysa sa kasalukuyan mo, somebody greater than you, a vision greater than you, a life bigger than yours. You know how life will be? You will stop saying, "Hay buhay." And you will start to say, "Wow, buhay. Thank God I am alive." Salamat sa Diyos sa buhay. Hindi natin kailangang masyado ang IQ. Hindi masyado ang EQ. Ang kailangan natin, wow quotient. To be able to live for something greater than your dreams. To be able to live for something bigger than your life. To be able to look forward to something bigger than this universe. And then you will be happy. And you will say, life is worth living. Life is exciting. Wow, buhay.